Hello dear children. Now we have reached at the last portion of our fifth chapter, that is to the world of information. Okay, so here are some activities for you. Let us assess. First one is find images related to folk arts of Kerala mentioned in the chapter Padayani in Kerala Padavali using the keyword folk art Kerala on the internet. Okay, so dear children, in your Kerala Padavali textbook, you have a chapter that is Padayani. Okay, in that chapter, you are discussing about the folk arts of Kerala. Okay, so we can search the images and details related to folk arts of Kerala. For that, we can go for applications, then internet, Firefox web browser. Okay. Now here the keyword is given. What is the keyword? Folk art Kerala. Okay, we can type folk art Kerala in the search box. Okay, which web browser we have used here? Mozilla Firefox. Okay, this is the search box. Now we can type the keyword. What is the keyword that is given in the textbook? Folk art Kerala. Okay. After typing the keyword, you can press the enter key. Okay. Just wait a minute. See children, now we have reached the page Folk Art Kerala. Okay, here are the details related to folk art of Kerala. We can just read that Kerala is a haven for the lover of dance, drama and music and festivals. It has scores of art forms which are quite unique in nature to Kerala, like Kathakali, Ottam Tullal, Chakyarkooth, Krishnanatam, Kudiyattam, Padayani, Kalaripayattu, Pava Kathakali, that is puppet play, Teyyam, Velagali, Tiruvadirakali, Kolkali, etc. Okay, so there are lot of informations related to folk art of Kerala. You can search that from your mobile phones. Okay, now we have images of folk arts. So select images. Here you can see variety of images. Okay. We also studied to save the images from the internet to our computer. Right, how can we save the images? Just right click on that image. For that, we have to select one image. Okay, now I am selecting this image. Okay, folk art of the Syrian Christians. Okay, now I am just right click on that image. Then select Save Images option. Okay. Then you can save this on Students Work 6th folder. Here you can change the name of the image. Okay. Now I am giving the name as Margamgali. Margamgali.jpg. The .jpg is the file extension of an image. Okay. Then select the save button. Now we can check that image is saved to Students Work 6th folder. Okay. Can you see margamkali.jpg here? Here it is. See, this is the image. If you want to display that image, just double click on that. Okay. You can zoom in and zoom out. Okay. Likewise, you want to save the images from the internet to the computer. Okay, Arts of Kerala, Oppana. I can just save this by giving the name Oppana. Okay, into Students Work 6th folder. Okay, so we can go to our chapter. First activity is finished. Now here is your assignment. You have to write a short note on folk arts of Kerala. Okay, write a short note on the topic folk arts of Kerala. You can write any 5 folk arts. Okay, write the heading and write 4 or 5 sentences related to that folk arts. Okay. Then our second activity is that prepare a write-up on the specialities of various fruits relating to the chapter flower to flower using the keywords simple fruits, aggregate fruits and false fruits. Okay, so in your basic science textbook, you are having the chapter flower to flower, right? Okay, so we can find the specialities of various fruits. We can search with the keywords simple fruits, then aggregate fruits, false fruits. Okay, so just search here simple fruit. See, simple fruits are those fruits in the angiosperms that develop from a single ovary of one flower. This ovary may be either simple or compound. Okay, so you can make notes on simple fruits. Then second one is aggregate fruits. These are the details related to aggregate fruits. Okay, the aggregate fruit is a fruit that develops from a single flower, but the flower has more than one ovary and the ovaries join together as the fruit grows. Okay, then next one is false fruits. A fruit derived from the separate carpels of one flower, the uniting of a cluster of flowers or tissue other than the ovary, pseudocarp. Okay, so a plant structure that resembles a fruit but it is not derived. Okay, not derived from a flower or flowers, that is known as false fruit. Okay, so you have to watch the images of false fruit, then aggregate fruits and simple fruits. Okay, and our third activity is that collect any 4 images of plants and animals that live in the desert and save them to a folder. Okay, that is the activity for you. You have to collect any 4 images, okay, of the plants and animals that are living in the desert. Okay, like camels, then cactus plant. Okay, and you have to save them to your folder. If you are having the computer, you can use that. Otherwise, you can use your mobile phones. Okay, and send to me through your WhatsApp. Okay, so dear children, here we can wind up this class. Our chapter 5 is over. Are you happy? Okay, so I will give the notes through WhatsApp. You want to write it down. So we can meet at the next class by our new chapter. Thank you.